as I told you guys, the greenish line has to appear right now. Right now we have to zoom in and start checking that line. Look here, the sun spots will be disappearing after some period of time. Look, the others were disappeared already. Now this one will disappear. By the way, look, the color of that spot, it's getting green. It's getting green. I don't know, maybe I could see it like that, or it's originally like that. The greenish stuff being started now. It's created, very obvious. Then the reddish and something in between, like orangish. But there is a green stuff being created. I can see it, very obvious. And I will let it like that until it gets pretty clear. It's pretty clear, green, then something like orangish or yellowish, then reddish. One more color being added. Maybe this is because of the interface between the reddish and greenish colors. Let's find out. Okay, now it's very obvious. Greenish with reddish. Very obvious. Very, very, very obvious. At least for me, or who's just following me, he would see everything now. I'll concentrate only on that. The greenish and reddish. Yup. This is the sun. We will get a little bit closer, and I'm tackling the edges. Now I cannot see the sun directly. It becomes really strong. No way. Almost like 15 to 17 or 18 minutes since it's almost 19 minutes since it's raised, and my mission, I put a mission for myself, just to capture the greenish light. Again, it's appeared here with reddish, and it seems there is something in between as well with our sun, the beautiful sun. I will not leave it. Let's let it be like that until it's stabilized. It's pretty clear, greenish, then like sort of either yellowish and mixed with orangish, then reddish. Very obvious. Let me zoom out, then zoom in. What will happen? I zoomed out now. A little bit more. More. Come on, more. It's pretty clear. Can you see that cycling greenish color around the sun? I'll zoom out also. Yep, I did. It's still there. The greenish still there. Sam, what do you think? I have a story for that. I have a story for that. Greenish, it's pretty clear, and reddish, and we are just facing this thing here, but at Hawaii they are getting the flash. Why? And that's disappeared also. Why? Because the sun gets to the portal. Once it gets the portal, it loses its greenish rays color, because she's getting into the window, into the gate, into the portal at the Hawaii setting point for the sun. It's pretty clear. Wow, I can see here sun color, which is purely white, then greenish, then like yellowish, then reddish. All those sort of colors being captured by me today, 19th of August 2017, at now 6:22. Yep, it's 6:22 a.m. sunrise time. Now sunrise, actually it's 5:59 almost. So let's readjust again. Again, we got it. That's the reddish, that's after that greenish, then whitish. Wow, it's very obvious, very obvious. Nobody can deny that. If you want to deny that, please record yours and then show us, but don't deny it without proof. You need to prove it first. I did that. The proof is with me right now, and I'm gonna show it to you on YouTube. So who wants to deny what I'm just proving right now? Because I'm proving something that not been proven yet, and nobody talk about it. The layers, the corona layers of the sun. We do have white sun here in Middle Earth during summer, white sun, then greenish corona, on top of it reddish corona, and in between greenish and reddish something like yellow or orangish. I think this is because of the interfere both of the colors, or it's a separate color. I have no idea, but what I can show you is the reality. This is the reality and the truth. Who has doubts, he can refer to it by himself and start capturing it and analyze it, and then he will be exactly sure about what we did. It's pretty clear. White, then green, then red with tiny line between them, which is yellowish, more likely greenish, more likely orangish color. That's what I want to state right now, and it's very obvious for us right now that we have this status. It was recorded yesterday. Today is confirmed, and I'm ready for any question which is related to this event, as capturing wise, not as analysis wise. Don't ask me where it is comes from, and whether it's available at noon time or not, or sit-in time or not. I cannot answer that unless I do it. I do an experiment, and it has to be the data has to be available for me. Rather than that, I cannot answer questions which I did not prove it by my own self or trusted guys. Like we have my brother Sam Kelly in Australia, which I'm proud of to be his friend. His friend. Come on, camera. Don't be against me. You need to help me to reveal the truth for everybody. Still the green stuff is there with reddish. But the sun gets a little bit faster, accelerating actually its movement. So I need to recorrect the camera's position from time to time. Sun is too strong now. I cannot see it. And moon gets disappeared. Moon gets disappeared. I guess it's supposed to be there. I cannot see it right now. With the morning star, with Venus. Now I can see the moon right now. Now I can see. I detected where it is, and now I can see it. But today is sun's day. I'll capture it later on, no worries. I guess that's it. We will take full view for the sun, that to prove it's surrounded the sun from everywhere, so nobody can argue about it at all. And we will zoom out, so even in zoom out you can see it. You can see the greenish surrounding the sun. Yep. That's all, guys. Look how strong it is. That's all, guys. Bye.